Tinnitus relief for seniors. 5 reasons. Relaxation programs are crucial. Seniors often have specific questions about implementing relaxation programs for tinnitus management. These common questions address typical concerns and provide practical guidance for getting started. How long should I practice relaxation techniques before seeing results with my tinnitus? Most seniors notice some benefit within 2-3 weeks of daily practice, though the nature of improvement varies significantly between individuals. Initial changes often appear as better sleep quality, reduced frustration with tinnitus, or shorter recovery time after tinnitus spikes, rather than direct reduction in tinnitus volume. More substantial benefits typically emerge after 6 to 8 weeks of consistent practice, with continued improvement possible for months as the brain gradually rewires its response to tinnitus sounds. Individual results depend on multiple factors, including tinnitus duration, overall stress levels, consistency of practice, and whether the relaxation techniques are combined with other management approaches. Keeping a simple tinnitus journal helps track subtle improvements that might otherwise go unnoticed during the gradual adaptation process. Can relaxation techniques completely eliminate tinnitus? Relaxation techniques rarely eliminate tinnitus completely, but they often substantially reduce its impact on quality of life, which many seniors find equally valuable. While the acoustic sensation typically remains present to some degree, relaxation practices can significantly diminish the emotional distress, sleep disruption, and concentration difficulties that make tinnitus so challenging. For those seeking additional support, exploring online support groups can also be beneficial. This improved relationship with tinnitus represents success even when the sound itself persists. Some seniors do report periods where they become completely unaware of their tinnitus during and shortly after relaxation practice, demonstrating the powerful effect these techniques can have on attention systems. For most, the realistic goal is developing the ability to shift attention away from tinnitus when desired and reduce its emotional impact rather than eliminating the sound entirely. For more information, you can read about how tinnitus impacts seniors. Do I need special equipment to start a tinnitus relaxation program? No special equipment is required to begin basic relaxation practices for tinnitus management. The fundamental techniques, breathing exercises, progressive muscle relaxation, and simple meditation require only a comfortable place to sit or lie down. As you advance in your practice, certain optional items may enhance your experience but are never essential for benefit. While not necessary, some seniors find these items helpful for their relaxation practice. A comfortable cushion or chair that supports good posture, a light blanket to prevent feeling chilled during deep relaxation, a smartphone or tablet for accessing guided relaxation recordings, basic speakers or headphones if using audio guidance, a simple timer to maintain consistent practice duration. For those who enjoy technology, biofeedback devices that measure physiological markers of relaxation, like skin temperature or muscle tension, can provide helpful feedback, but these represent enhancement tools rather than requirements for successful practice. Should I continue my regular tinnitus medications while using relaxation techniques? Always continue prescribed medications unless directly advised otherwise by your healthcare provider. Relaxation techniques work compatibly with medical approaches to tinnitus and often enhance medication effectiveness by reducing overall stress levels. Before making any changes to your medication regimen, consult with the prescribing physician about how relaxation practices might complement your current treatment plan. Some seniors find that as relaxation skills develop, they may require less frequent use of as-needed medications for tinnitus-related anxiety or sleep disturbance. Any potential medication adjustments should be discussed with healthcare providers who can help determine whether changes are appropriate based on your specific situation and overall health needs.